Unit 2.
Bench. Bench is a noun. A bench is a long seat for a few people to sit on. On each side of the picnic table is a wooden bench. Now you say the word. Bench. Bench. Bridge. Bridge is a noun. A bridge is something that is built above and across water. People or cars can go over it to get to the other side. A long bridge goes over the bay. Now you say the word. Bridge. Bridge. Cross. Cross is an adjective. A person is cross if he or she is angry or not pleased. The child was cross when the dog grabbed his toy. Now you say the word. Cross. Cross. Cross is a verb. When you cross, you go from one side to the other. Look both ways before you cross the street. Now you say the word. Cross. Crowd. Crowd is a noun. A crowd is a lot of people all together in one place. A large crowd waits for the bus. Now you say the word. Crowd. Crowd. Deep. Deep is an adjective. If something is deep, it goes a long way down. The children dug a deep hole in the sand. Now you say the word. Deep. Deep. Fresh. Fresh is an adjective. If something is fresh, it is clean or new. I put on a fresh shirt for the party. Now you say the word. Fresh. Fresh. Fresh is an adjective. Fresh means that something is cool or refreshing. Open the windows so the fresh air can cool off my room. Now you say the word. Fresh. Frown. Frown is a noun. A frown is an unhappy look on your face. When Nate found his lost puppy, his frown became a smile. Now you say the word. Frown. Frown. Frown is a verb. When you frown, you move your eyebrows together and wrinkle your forehead. I frown when I have to go to bed early. Now you say the word. Frown. Signal. Signal is a noun. A signal is an action or sign that sends a message. The red light is a signal that means stop. Now you say the word. Signal. Signal. Travel. Travel is a verb. When you travel, you go from one place to another. I want to travel all over the world. Now you say the word. Travel. Travel. Worry. Worry is a verb. When you worry, you feel that something bad may happen. My mom and dad worry if I don't eat well. Now you say the word. Worry. Worry.